Food is the staff of life, and I don't want hunger to dig up my tribe. I ate fluxacurine and malagripe. Burn Baphomet hot. Now we are running hungry from out of the community. Sunflower isinglass having nutmeg in it. Murder hungry every day. Turmeric and ginger.
What's going on, everybody? Coming to you live from East Kingston, right at Mountain View, bottom at the stoplight, close by to the tire shop at the stoplight. Yo, you might have passed here, so and you not smell the food, but me know so them shine pot have to catch on the eye. We're at Mountain View, bottom at the stoplight, and the great I Bogle there, the Rasta way. If I blaze up a fire out here, people you have to stop by here, so. The great I Bogle there, and yo, crazy things are going on the pot today, and we're gonna see what's going on. But they have blazed up some fire, and yo, food them smell so good already, man. I tell you, food already cooked. We say brown stew, we say fish up on the menu today.
Yeah. Ackee already.
Ackee already.
Ackee and salt.
We're not gonna see it all. We're not gonna smell it through the camera too. It's a vibe people, and we're out here, man. You see it?
Yeah, man. Right there at Sherwin-Williams, man, in front of the road, man, near the stoplight at Mountain View. Windward Road, you know, right in front of the paint shop myself, man. And in front of one step-up shop too.
Real.
One church there behind it. You see it?
How often are they out here, I Bogle?
Almost every day now, when I'm tired, I'm not forward out, you know. You hear that?
Real.
Because the way I love cook, yeah, feed the people, let me not see it.
Real. Yo,
We
at
just
what
love
time?
cook.
So you're out here almost every day, but what time people can find you?
Most time in the afternoon, you know.
Like in the bleed down like
Yeah.
5, 6 them time there?
Yeah, like sometimes I'll do it from 2 still, you know.
Whoa.
But most of the time, I like 4 o'clock still. Up.
Okay, natural.
But sometimes I give them a shop by in the 1:32 some of the time.
Alright.
Yeah. Especially if I don't come out that day when I'm tired the next day, I'll be out early. Like
Natural.
1:32. You know?
Natural vibe.
Most naturally.
Real.
Because the people they love the spice, you see it?
Alright.
And they say the spice is twice as nice. So, through me love cook and then tell me that I just have one cook till I hear cook no more.
Oh. What? Oh, so we get to understand, say, you actually cook at another place and then just carry the food from right here, so.
Yeah,
You
man.
the hot spot.
Yeah, but you know, we used to cook down here so first, but through like KCC and Babylon, you know. So we just do it at my house.
True.
And then just keep them warm down here and share them with the people them use.
Natural vibe. I see we have coal fire right there, so. Yeah, man. Natural. So, what you normally have on the menu?
Yeah, me normally have like steamed fish,
Yeah.
brown stew fish.
Wow.
I have like ackee and saltfish, ackee and red herring.
So, no meat.
No, sometimes ackee alone, just ackee and spice, you know.
True.
For the Rasta man them. All of my food cooked with coconut juice.
Wow.
You see it, and natural seasoning, no powder seasoning around here.
Alright.
Just from the earth.
Oh, they eat that.
Herb and spice.
Naturally wise. So, what you have on the menu to show the people them
Yeah,
in
boy.
the day?
Yo, me have some sip and hold on, man.
What you say, sit there?
Hold on, man. Peanut and red peas, man.
Oh, what you say?
Yeah, see there, no meat. You see it, look?
Whoa.
Yeah. You see that? Whole heap of okra and them thing there, man. Peanut and red peas, see?
So this is vital.
Yeah, natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
Vital spot.
Which is vital.
Which is
For
vital.
the good, you see it?
Natural vibes, man.
See this now?
What they
It's
are?
the pumpkin rice. See?
Pumpkin.
Coconut juice. Coconut.
Oh.
You see that? Ackee and saltfish.
Whoa.
People them a eat it off.
Please and please.
Ackee and red herring.
Whoa, so you have ackee and saltfish and ackee
Ackee
and
and
red
red
herring?
herring, yeah, man.
Whoa.
Over here, so now coconut juice with the okra, the cucumber, and the saltfish, lad. And this is the African stew now.
What that one?
That stew you know normal. That stew you have about 4 different beans in it.
So this is the
You see it?
African.
Yeah, this is African stew, yeah, man.
Oh, this
And then I will cook and eat one with the Zimbabwe, man.
I say, I'm going to travel the world too.
The whole world we are travel, man. 14, 7 seas of the world, I Bogle, bro.
Eh?
Yeah. But we don't know about it with people, you know. Yeah, you know, we just relax and do it thing neat and warm and easy, you know. Natural, yeah. So after I sip, you know, see it, you know, the brown stew fish, that Irish and the carrot,
It's a
the pumpkin and the okra, them.
Happy face some other one there, you know, man. full. Yo, they can't run out of
baked bean
chicken.
and saltfish that.
Oh, baked bean and saltfish.
Yeah, people them is a kind of fish lover still, but you know, Rasta run the ital them same.
Alright.
And that are the turn come in.
Yeah.
People them favorite.
Where say I one of the favorite dish?
Yeah man, see cook food there, you know.
Right.
What you say, the good old dumpling and banana and yam them? What you say?
Where say them are on fire, go on.
Yeah man,
Keep
see
warm.
man. Yeah man.
Oh, yam, banana, everything there.
Dumpling, yeah man.
It's a vibe right
Foreign
out here,
people
so
call dumpling bread. Yeah man.
Really, man.
More manners and respect to the people of the world, you know.
Straight.
Feed the people. Them gunmen are talk about gun. The biggest gun is a pot. One pot of food. That is the biggest gun. No man win a war without food.
Boy, you pot them shine though, man, I like. I love them, brother.
Yeah man, that's how we have to keep them, man, you know.
Straight.
Because you have to keep it, play the cleanliness of the thing, you know. You have to make the people themselves. The funny pot clean, the food must clean.
Straight.
Yeah, because if the pot dirty, the food have a dirty though.
Alright.
Alright. So from the pot shine, you know, so hungry get blind. Yeah, right away we kill hungry, brother. This mango, carrot and ginger this a magnum.
Magnum.
Yeah, make with peanut, oats, ripe banana, plantain, sunflower, isinglass, and it have in nutmeg in it.
Wow.
And it have in lasai. No milk around here. We don't deal with the cowpus, lasai. Everything is from, yeah, everything is from the plants.
Natural vibe.
This is turmeric and ginger. So people can drink it out. Immune system juice them, man.
Yeah, man.
Clean your blood, you know?
Natural.
Yeah, natural. And this now, this is our next one now. The one that we call it 5 star.
5 star?
Yeah, this
you get a name there?
This is tomato, sweet pepper, cucumber, carrot and ginger.
Whoa.
Make that one 5 star this.
Wow.
Yeah. Taste, you want to taste them. Any day you taste them juice, you don't drink no more soda and them things.
Yeah, father. Lifestyle cooking, you see? Yeah, one star.
Juice and immune system juice.
Turmeric.
Turmeric and ginger.
Yeah, I get the turmeric. Alright. That's turmeric. Alright, so these are the 5 star ital spot in the street, and this is the turmeric. We're going to test out this one right now.
Curry drinks.
Yo, refreshing. Refreshing. First thing we must say. And yo, this fresh. This is almost like you're not tasting no sugar. It's just fresh and refreshing. I feel like if this did have no more sweetness to it, it would a kick. I just feel like if it did more sweeter than this, it would a kick. Yo, this turmeric, aka curry drink.
We use it for curry.
But the turmeric.
Yeah,
yeah man. Wow. Whoa. It's almost done. This is so refreshing, man. Whoa. First time drinking turmeric. Yeah. Whoa. Good for your immune system. So it's healthy and it's refreshing and nice. Whoa.
So me I tell them, so you come out in the kitchen. You know. Food is the staff of life, and I don't want hunger to dig up my tribe. I ate flux of curry and malagripe. Burn Baphomet hot. Now we are running hungry from out of the community.
Whoa, this turmeric vibe. So the mango carrot.
Yeah, this is the mango carrot. All of them can blend together, you know.
Alright, these up. Right, so mango carrot is a vibe on the street side. Refreshing, natural juice, no bag of soda. That's why I say if them taste some of them juice and them stop. Drink soda.
Yeah man, soda
straight.
get a kick.
Whoa. Mango carrot. This is always one of my favorite. This is always one of my favorite. Mango carrot in anything, always one of my favorite. Refreshing, and this one is a natural one. And the one where you go see in the store them way. Whoa. Water though. It's a real thing. Whoa. Vibes. Yeah man. So right now we are going to Which one this?
5
These are
star.
the 5 star. And what is make out of?
Cucumber,
Alright. Yeah man, that's
sweet
good.
pepper, tomato, carrot and ginger.
So cucumber, sweet what? Sweet pepper?
Yeah. Tomato, carrot
Whoa.
and ginger.
Whoa. Yo. First time I go drink anything like this and we are going to eat right now.
On a sponge. Can't believe what you are tasting.
Whoa. But you're not even taste none of them.
That me I try to tell you about.
You're not even taste none of them, but the whole of them in it.
Yeah. How it feel to you now?
Whoa. Whoa.
When you drink them juice, someone when you wake up, you come like you never let us sleep. When you drink them, and you go to your bed, when you wake up, you don't feel like you never let us sleep. No Jonesy business, no lazy thing going on. You know see it?
Whoa.
Yeah man. No chickpea,
Beautiful.
no chickpea, no Corona, no Simona, none of them. Alien titis, none of them things they can't get you.
Everything gone.
Yeah man, no Babylon disease can't hold it.
Whoa.
And the man them, who walk is and love pop down and them want to drink out there, alright.
Alright. Yeah man.
Stop,
So that means I'm have to go drink over all your bodies.
Yeah, and make the woman and stop go shop
Whoa.
go buy the thing. And work for the thing.
Natural
I
vibes.
deal with my youth.
Whoa.
Come like the man them help turn the world work this too because they not keep up to their job most of them brother. In a real life, because when I run from the food, I'm going to take the wrong thing all the while. Rum and boom now go nowhere brother. That me I tell you now. I don't say I don't have to drink with the rum and boom. Because little vibes in the thing, but too much of one thing good for nothing.
Alright.
Always protect your body, man. You see it?
Natural vibes.
Protect your body at all times.
All times.
Yeah.
Real way.
Because only a dead man carry body. So Rasta will carry body.
Alright.
But I no fear you, good fear.
Good of your eye.
Yeah.
Real way.
And eye is the eye that stand up for eye and the eye. You see it? That is why I always spice these food. You see it? Because I'm hungry in a war now. Me a hungry in a war. Me a hungry now go par. Me a hungry in a war. That's why me cook every day, you know, star. That me I tell you, you know, man, a big war because the pot of the gun, you know, food and me ammunition. All the man who fire the gun in no food to him. Dead if you hungry, man, left the gun there and go look food. No more war, him no fight.
Tell them again.
So stop starve the people, man, you get more calm in the place. If you don't no work, you don't no food. Problem, brother, because hungry man is a hungry man. Food make people rob and grab back. That you know. Yeah, so more food for the people them. Then you find more illness. More positive thinking. Must go on because when man belly full, you know. Remember, you know, you never see no face smile and laugh, so you know.
For real, man.
All be foolishness to and talk just to laugh.
Yeah, man. Once a belly full.
When your belly full.
Alright.
That's why they say nothing is better than a good belly full.
Alright.
Yeah.
Big up Rasta, keep a positive talking at the people.
Yeah,
people
man.
him an artist too. I Bogle and you can check him out.
Yeah, man.
Big top chef, big top artist.
Yes,
It's
you
a
want the
vibe.
tune, you know?
Yes, sir. You give them something?
What? But this is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Me know you come in at my kitchen with no bag of chatting. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. I tell stew me you cook me now fry no chicken. So me dip down in my pocket take out me donza. Me run in at the shop and stand up on the counter. Serve, me call the shopkeeper. And the next thing me do place me yard that sell me 6 pounds of flour, cabbage and callaloo and tomato, onion and scallion, scotch bun, with pepper, nothing go in the pot now when me put pan fire. Run across the road me buy from the vendor. 2 breadfruit and those green banana. One for me pot bad like M16, so me go up Portland fi go get some dashing. One this a pot bad like a M1. Me go watch it and me go get yellow yam. One for me pot rough like a Gatling, so me go watch St. Catherine and go pick a pumpkin. Me want for me pot bad like a Bragadap. Me go watch St. Thomas and go get coconut for cooking in my kitchen. My kitchen.
My
you know,
kitchen.
You come in and my kitchen with no bag of chatting. My kitchen.
Yeah, man.
My kitchen. I tell stew me you cook me now fry no chicken. Rice and peas we cook Sunday. Steam some callaloo on a Monday. Cabbage, that's when me cook Tuesday. Ackee, that's when me cook Wednesday. Veggie chunks me cook that pan that Thursday. Okra and beans when me cook Friday. Saturday you know is this about day. Rasta man and yam salaman a gun day. I tell stew it a the dreadlocks dish. Don't you ever know that is a dice dainty dish? Burn Baphomet, boy the kitchen hot, be a fire gas. Yeah. Kill hungry right now. Yeah. I am the original killer for hungry. Me kill hungry. I am the murderer of your hungry. Murder hungry every day.
Every day.
Original I Bogle I say that. Respect to the world.
You get to understand say you even used to chef the sizzler.
Yeah man, I used to cook for that man, the whole judgment yard man for years man.
Yeah.
A judgment yard me think the man. Right. And cave man same way, you see it?
Straight.
Yeah, all fruits. But judgment yard me live for years and cook food. We under them par, you know see it? Bonnet and Nari and Stain and the whole way run up and down brother. Chucky and the whole way, you see it?
So you're a big chef and big artist.
Boy, I want to say me the big chef, I want to spicy food, them and people tell I say it nice, yeah? That's all me have to do, you know, just cook the food and people tell me say it get them in the mood. You see it?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, get the sip hot, you know?
Yeah man.
Ackee and saltfish. National dish in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah man.
Ackee and saltfish,
What you
national dish.
say? You feel so? I them just say that.
That's what them say.
That's what them say.
Yeah man, then rice are really slave food man, rice and feed the people in pan
Rice
man.
and peas.
Little bit, Sunday day alone and get rice and peas. That's why I try and get every day through the week.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, say man. So that's why rice and peas come popular in Jamaica.
So why
so
rice
special.
and peas a slavery food?
Yeah man, I mean a special.
Whoa. Yo, no make that so keen people.
A slave special dish that on the Sunday.
Wow.
When they say I want to do that slave must you can't go to and look at worship or what them do.
Whoa.
Then get rice and peas. But if all the thing they don't pay white rice and get man. They go like them feed slave with good food. They don't give slave nothing good man. They say I beat now and beer, rob, then give black people. A Chinese, black man, Indian, no slave, white man, no slave, they're not give no good food for them. Just like when they do prisoner them. They have to get visit to get that. And slave now no visit to get more than back a master thing.
Delicious sniper.
Yeah, make sure they are big one, you know.
Good here, Rasta man. Jeez.
So good. You ever tell me say boy, you never know say so the food nice. You say you never did know that.
African stew. African stew. Yeah. Alright. A little bit right there, so. Alright.
Yeah. Okra and cucumber side.
Yeah, so open that pot there, brother. Jesus. No, sir, I say open that pot there, the smell just. You see how the coconut juice and this stuff.
Camera clean though. Happy and ready.
Happy and
Ready. So happy and ready.
Right? Nice. We have a ackee and saltfish. There's a whole fly we have one tonight, people. Natural vibes for the night.
To walk it on this side.
Yeah, let's say away this.
Yeah, where is it?
Fully loaded plate. Yeah man, everything. This is a whole street vibe. This is a whole ital mix right here. So people look at this. Oh my god, the blend of food with the right here. So we have a big fish cover up on there. So it smells so good as you open the pot them You smell all of that coconut juice just jump out. The smell of it. Yo, we get saltfish and ackee. We get red herring and ackee. I think this are the African stew or something like that. It's a bag of bean mix up. I think I had this already at a restaurant. And you don't know okra and saltfish. Baked bean and saltfish the right. So it's a whole vibe, and we're gonna dig in at this right now. We'll get some pumpkin rice and also some ton cornmeal. Jamaican style ton cornmeal. So we're gonna dig in at this right about now. Yo, everything just smells so good. Try the ton cornmeal. Wow. I got some more now the ton cornmeal. Wow. Wow. Refreshing. The taste of that smooth, it's not rough. Some ackee. We don't know if it's the red herring or what, but we are going to dig into this because everything mixed up right about now. Definitely get a taste of the red herring in that. Get some more of the red herring. Whoa. Whoa. African stew. This is a mixture of beans all put together in a coconut juice with a bag of things simmer down. It's mainly a Ital vibe, Rasta vibe. Wow. That tastes so good. Wow. We see if we can go back in the ackee because yo, the ackee tastes so good. Pumpkin right. Oh. Wow. If you guys passing if you guys come to Mountain View stoplight at the bottom, definitely stop at the Rasta. I'm telling you, yo, the pepper kick, the spice kick. Whoa. Whoa. Get some more of the red herring and the ackee. This is a vibe. From a longer time, saltfish and ackee, red herring and ackee, people always mix the two of them. We don't know which one bad, but people tend to lean to the saltfish and the ackee more. I guess because them said that at the national dish, but yo, the red herring and the ackee is a vibe. Okra. It's okra. The okra, and if you guys ever had okra and cucumber, you know so when them two go together and simmer down in that juice there. I don't know normal. Same vibe on the street. Wow. This mixture of food is a vibe, and Rasta always out here every day, but not in the morning. If you come in the morning, you're not going to see him. Anytime after 6 in the evening when you're passing by here, you're not going to see him with the pot them. You must smell the food, but you're not going to see the whole of the shine pot them line up on the front. And we did have to stop here. And right now speaking, as we're speaking, the boss over there going other pot them on the fire if you keep warm. That's how him do the rotation, and it's a whole vibe right there, someone crazy. We are going to a fish stall. No, we're not touching fish. Some okra on the top. This is brown stew fish. Wow, get a nice flesh off of the fish. Wow. just as one thing. Just as one thing. Eating at a ital spot, when it comes to fish, make a Rasta cook fish. I always tell them, like when it comes to fish, make a Rasta cook fish good and wanna see the real deal when it comes to spicy in fish. Yo, the season just tasting that just one time, all of the season just touch your soul. Whoa, look at this. Oh God, whoa. Wow, all of this is a vibe right at I Bogle spot on Winwood Road. It's a vibe right here, man, I'm telling you. And of course this fish, brown soup fish cooked down. In no use powdered season. That is one of the things also. Rasta no use powder season. Him is one of the Rasta when I use powdered season. So you know say you get all of that natural taste in your fish, and it well seasoned down, scallion, pepper, everything. Because right now talking and the spice are kicking at this spices are kick goes, and this food tastes so good, everything soaked. Wow. Right on the street side. Oh, look at this big chunk of fish you get right there. So people, this is all come out of because I literally smell the fish from far and see who come get it, you know. I Bogle. Real master chef, real street chef, right at Mountain View stoplight. From when you see the tire shop, just look across from the tire shop as you reach the end of Mountain View bottom. You know, go see Rasta I Bogle right there, so. And come taste some out there on the menu. Vibes. Yo, this is where I come down to. This is literally where I come down to. This is a vibe. The food here, the spice a kick. Seasoning, whole seasoning, even the fish, even the jaw corner of the fish, everything just get tear up and dismantle. And yo, I Bogle, this spot. Remember, Winwood Road, right at Mountain View, bottom at the stoplight. You know, just look across the road and I go see him. A bag of pot always line out on the roadside, and right now this alone left out of everything. It's a vibe. More spicy, more bone off right about now, but the flavoring of this food, pure natural seasoning. All vibes, man. Crazy. What the fuck? What the food was a vibe, Rasta. Nah lie, man. Yo, the spice in this, the seasoning, everything just, yo, believe me, man. People really need to find a spot of it. This vibe is crazy, man.
Because I make you want to eat it off, you know, I help you eat it off. That's why I don't sell off all my food, you know. Every time a man buy a food, I want mine could I eat some too.
Oh my God, man.
So I deal with the thing.
Really, man.
What thing I can't tell you, no, people, you can't give this thing a try. I know say, when I come forward every time because the spice is right, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right at Winwood Road there, so man. Yeah, man, me a sick man. Rasta don't sell soup, you know, soup out of station. Rasta sell soup. Big up in a gear. Yeah, what I man ever drink out the soup, I rate you for that.
A oneness man, is it?
Yeah, man.
Who don't can support one another, you know?
Wicked food, man, I tell you, man. Straight, man. Natural vibes. Yeah, man.
People them say the real food, you know? Real food.
Yeah, man, I think up, man. No doubt about it, man. Nothing unclean, straight, clean, righteous.
Whole heap
thing,
of
you know what I'm
artists. Whole heap of church people eat a Rasta place or something. Whole heap of people in the community.
saying? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. No joke.
Natural vibes, people. Remember, you know, always see them bag of patcha line off right there, so. Right at the bottom of Mountain View stoplight. The location is there. Right at the bottom of the stoplight. See there? A bag of patcha always line up, so you can't miss. Right on the table, right on the street side. See a bag of cars are pass, and it's just a natural, authentic vibe right there, so.
Right
Look
there
at
with
this.
part skate and used to them.
Natural sip. Yeah,
No
man.
meat.
What you say? Yard life?
Yard life.
Alright, boss.
Rain and falling. The way she balling.